I'm showing this for educational and entertainment purposes only, so don't repeat anything you see in this video.
I'm gonna refresh this thing.
Oh my god!
Good morning guys, I'm Daniel Perez, ex-IT manager, 5 years in a big tech company. Now, I spend my time testing new tools and tech stuff around crypto. I've been deep into this, watching videos, reading forums, exploring all kinds of tools and trends. And honestly, most of this stuff is pure junk, straight up garbage. But recently, one open community tool really caught my eye. Looked interesting enough to test, so I tried it out just for fun and wanted to show you how it works. No time to waste, I'm just gonna go to my Telegram channel. It's called Daniel Perez, so you can pause the video and copy the name. I'm showing this for educational purposes only. And you know what? I get a shitload of messages about this in my DMs every single day. I'm not trying to get you to copy me, so do not repeat my actions. I'm doing this for the people who bug me every day with questions. There are no promises or guarantees about income. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm gonna play this game, and with this thing, my gaming experience is gonna become much more interesting because I'm a big fan of crypto games, and this one is, I'm really loving it, all right? So I'm gonna set everything up, so give me just a sec. Okay, it's no big deal, I'm just following the steps. This thing. Now I'm gonna wait for it to load. Come on, it's gonna load quickly. And yeah, it's done. And yeah, it says it's not available yet. I can read the requirements. Okay, so it's no big deal. I'm just gonna fix it right away. Give me just a moment. So now I'm gonna copy this thing. I'm gonna go here. So give me just a moment. Okay. Then here. And I'm gonna hit this button just like that. Looks great, it's processing. Now I'm gonna wait for it to be done, and it's done. That's just great. So now I'm gonna go back here, give me just a sec. And as I can see, it's already there, so it's just marvelous. I'm totally loving it. And how about this? Just how about this? This is exactly what I was talking about. I mean, this gameplay is literally something. I mean, I'm totally enjoying this. This gaming experience yeah, I'm totally loving it. I mean, I'm speechless. All right, so here comes the most important part, because I'm just gonna send it back here. Okay. So give me just a moment. Yeah, this game is marvelous. I mean, I'm totally loving this experience. That's just something else. Okay, so here comes the most important part, because I'm gonna refresh this thing.
Oh my god! I just can't believe what I'm seeing!
Oh my god, I'm over the moon. So you can check all the data. So guys, it's just insane. But that's just how it is. Guys, be sure to join my Telegram channel, and thanks for watching.